Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And sorry, my dog is eating my pancake. Prince. Oh my god, take it, fine. Anyways, so what I'm going to be doing today is teaching you guys how to make slime easily. So, cup, clear glue, mixer, and activator. Okay. So, now take your cup and pour in your clear PVA glue. Not a lot, because I haven't tried this recipe yet. A lot of people on Facebook said it worked, so I'm not quite sure, but I'm going to use some of them. Okay, so we have our glue in there. I'm going to add some more. I'll be right back with more. Okay, so now let's add some coloring. I'm using pigment. Blue pigment. Now mix that up. Okay. Now time to add the activator. Now put it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Okay guys, so I put it in this container and added some beads. I don't know if I would call this slime. I mean, like when you mix it, it literally looks like slime. Okay, next recipe. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need a container, and this one is dirty, but it's dried. So now what you're going to add is some hand soap. Any soap, I'm using clear soap. Okay. Now, what you're going to want to do is add a tiny bit of water. Now where's my... Oh, and now something to mix with, and I'm using a pen. And as you can see, it's already making a slime. But this isn't the part I wanted to make slime. The slime part. Now, this. Okay, so that's added in. Mix it up. Now I'm gonna go put this in the freezer for about 5 minutes. It didn't turn out good at all. It literally just turned to liquid. Next recipe. Okay. Now for the next recipe, you're going to need some more hand soap. Now you're going to need some water. And the water I'm using is flavored water, so... mix it. Good yet? Not good enough yet, but still getting pretty nice. I'm still over here mixing this. Now put it in the freezer. Okay, I took it out. Let's play with it, mix it up a little bit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and love you guys.